So let's start with the most obvious question. How much does ACCA actually cost? Not rough guesses, but the actual fees that you pay across the ACCA journey. Before we get into the numbers, here's exactly what this video will cover. One-time registration fee, the annual subscription fee, the overall exam-related cost across levels, exemption fees if applicable, and finally, what the total ACCA cost realistically looks like. Now, one thing to keep in mind throughout this video. ACCA is a UK qualification, so all fees are charged in British pounds. I'll mention the amounts in pounds and also give you a rough INR sense, since that's what most of us relate. Alright, let's get into it. One-time registration fee. When you register as an ACCA student, you pay a one-time registration fee. That's around £89, which is somewhere around 9,000 or so depending on exchange rate. This is paid only once, right at the beginning, and there's no repetition later. Pretty straightforward. Second, annual subscription fee. Now, this is a yearly fee to keep your ACCA registration active. It's around £137 per year, somewhere in the ballpark of 14,000 to 15,000 rupees. You pay this every year until you complete ACCA. So if your journey takes say 3 to 4 years, the fee applies each year. This isn't a huge number individually, but it's definitely important to plan for it, right? Because it does add up over time. Exam-related cost. So let's look into this at a high level without getting lost in too many numbers. ACCA has 13 papers in total, spread across 3 levels. And the most important thing to remember is that you pay per paper, not all at once. At the start, there's a one-time registration fee of around £30 and then an annual subscription fee of about £137, which for many students is actually discounted in the first year. Then comes exam fees. These vary by level. The applied knowledge papers are the lowest. The applied skill papers cost a bit more. The strategic professional papers are the highest. Because of this structure, your cost naturally increases as you move up the level. When you put all of that together, the exam-related cost across all levels usually ends up at somewhere between £1,600 to £2,000, which roughly works out to about 1.7 to 2.1 lakhs. This assumes you are booking exams on time, clearing papers without repeats, and yes, exemptions can reduce this number quite a bit, which is why planning your ACCA journey properly is so important. Exemption fees if applicable. So if you come from backgrounds like BCom, BBA, MBA or CA intern, you may actually be eligible for these exemptions. That's great because it saves you time and effort. But here's the thing. For every exempted paper, ACCA charges around £89 per paper. That's around 9,000 rupees or so per exemption. So you save time, efforts, but absolutely exemption fee still applies. Just something to keep in mind. So what's the total cost? Alright, so let's bring everything together. When you combine the registration fee, annual subscriptions over a few years, exam fees and exemptions, if you have any, the total ACCA related cost typically comes to around £2,000 to £2,500 overall. In Indian terms, that's roughly around 2.1 to 2.7 lakhs, depending on exchange rates and how many papers you are actually required to write. This is a realistic and honest range. It's not the lowest number you will see floating around online, and it's also not an exaggerated figure meant to scare you. It simply reflects what most well-planned ACCA candidates actually spend. The key takeaway here is how you plan your exemptions, bookings and attempts can make a big difference in your total cost. So here's the thing, ACCA isn't about paying everything upfront. It's actually planning the journey properly. Most cost overruns don't happen because ACCA itself is expensive. They usually happen because of late exam bookings, repeat attempts, or incorrect exemption decisions early on. If you're feeling confused or want to avoid unnecessary hassle, you can connect with our dedicated career counselors at Ematicus Learning for free guidance. Just click the link in the description and fill out the form and they'll help you understand your ACCA fees, exemptions, and timelines based on your background. There's no obligations, it's simply about getting clarity. And if after that you feel ACCA is the right path for you, you can always explore Ematicus Learning's ACCA program and decide what works the best for you. So yeah, if this breakdown helped, drop a comment below, hit subscribe for more finance career clarity, and I'll see you in the next one.